Well, yes, precious metal market is on fire globally. Silver at 11-year high and gold now is sitting at a fresh record high. In fact, today spot gold in dollar terms is gaining nearly 0.5%. It is gaining for the sixth consecutive day in a row to trade near that $3,500 per ounce mark. This, remember, is a fresh record high for the yellow metal market. And several factors continue to aid the yellow metal market. Remember, last week we had some fresh comments that came in from Federal Reserve Governor with respect to interest rate cuts and prospects of Federal Reserve rate cuts in the month of September. The meeting that is scheduled to happen later this month is fueling the rally in the precious metal market. As I mentioned, it's not just silver. Gold continues to trade at record highs as well. But this is not the only trigger. Remember, safe haven demand seems to be resuming in the global market. But let's also look at the kind of moves that we have seen over the last few years. Now, remember, in calendar year 2024, gold saw a solid uptick of nearly 27%. This year so far, gold is up nearly 31% and a nearly 13% uptick is what we had seen in calendar year 2023 as well. So over the last several years, we have seen quite a bit of uptick in the yellow metal prices. But as I was mentioning, several factors triggering the up move. One is escalating geopolitical tensions. It's not just Russia and Ukraine, but several other factors globally that are playing out, and that is aiding safe haven demand in the global market. Apart from that, central banks globally continue to buy gold in order to add to their Federal Reserve kitty. So that continues to aid safe haven demand. But despite the up move that we are seeing in the yellow metal market, remember, brokerage houses still continue to remain very bullish. We have notes from several brokerage houses. Goldman Sachs, by the fourth quarter of FY25, expects gold to reach $3,640 per ounce. JP Morgan at $3,675. We have Morgan Stanley, which is expecting gold prices to touch as much as $3,800 per ounce by the fourth quarter of this calendar year. So yes, big moves coming in for the yellow metal market, and despite the up move, brokerage houses still continue to remain very bullish.